Hello, and welcome to Rhonda Said. I am Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here. My little good luck charm is a little crooked today, but that's okay because we have something very delightful, and I'm very excited about. It is a Temu haul. Temu. I found out that Temu started just last year in the fall. I believe September was when Temu started. And I didn't print out a list of how much everything cost this time, but I've got a good idea. And it came in 2 packages. This package was not as exciting to hold up. So let's get in the smaller package and see what we have. Oh, nail brushes. I have fancy nails. Sometimes they get long, and I like to keep my nails clean. And these are nail brushes. I got like 10 of them for like less than $2, which is great. You always need a nail brush to be hygienic, in my opinion. And then we have one more thing in here. And it is beautiful death moth earrings. It's very cool. And they were less than $2. I got some plates that are divided because I'm trying to lose weight. I'm trying to keep my portions small. So I bought these plates to help me keep my food divided. So these were $2.79 a piece, and that's very cool. Then I got a cat toy. This is going to drive my cats insane. What it is, there's a base. And then there's a feather component. And then it's got this wire. And they're going to lose their minds when I put this in the living room. Let me show you how cool it is. If I don't pop my eye out first. Jesse, my cat, is in here, and he's like transfixed just by the wiggling of the wire. Oh, Lordy. Oh, good gravy. So this goes into this base, and you screw it down. I'm screwing it down. Maybe. Well, I'll get my husband to figure it out. But it goes in here. And it's got this wire. And then you put the feathers with the bell on it. And then the cats can entertain themselves. So that's going to go right here. Oh, my cats are already intrigued. So that's cool. I got some body scrunchies. I just got some shower gel in my BoxyCharm box. And these are scrunchies to take a shower. I got assorted colors. And I got 4 of them, and they were at less than $2 each. Because they want crazy money for freaking scrunched up plastic sometimes. Then I have this, and it is a drain cover for my bathtub. We've got a really old bathtub, and the drain gets clogged real easy. So this has some suction cups on the back. And we will put this over our drain so we can catch our hair better. This is for the kitchen. It is a scrub brush for bottles. And it's rainbow and it's scrubby. It's very cool. This isn't a long video this time. Then I got some fancy embroidery scissors. Take them out. They're very beautiful. They're they're very sharp. And I'm thinking about trying embroidery. And these are the sharp scissors to cut little threads. So I got those, and these are very heavy. They've got a very heavy weight to it, and it's iridescent. I love iridescent metal. Then I got these earrings, and these are meant to hang from my gauged ears, and they are some beetles with wings, very Egyptian. Then I have this, and it says, warning, this bag is not a toy. Oh, it's some tarot cards. I've been getting tarot cards from Temu, and they are less than $4 a pack. And these are the Delos tarot cards. I don't know what Delos means, but they look like they might be cool. I'm gonna try to open them. They're sealed in plastic. Like many things that come from Temu, is all sealed in plastic. And these bags are not toys. They remind us, just in case. And the box is a little bent in the corner, but I don't care. Is there a plastic seal? I think there's a plastic seal. I'm trying to figure out how to open these. Oh, it was just tight. It was just tight, that's all. Here comes the cards. Thanks for your patience. Your payoff is to look at some cute cards. Oh, these look like very cool, very traditional style cards. Cups and wands and such. And a major arcana. And they look like little cute people. And the backs of the cards, they're very slick. The backs of the cards look like little fairies. And this is like an elephant. And this is a 3 of Pentacles, and it's got 3 little people there. Let's see. The 6 of Wands. Very cool. This looks like a very cool little deck. And it's kind of, it's very whimsical. And I love whimsical things. If I can get these back in the deck, that'd be cool. I'll do that in a minute. But I want to thank you so much for being with me while I unbox my Temu haul. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. And my cats are going to go bananas. They're looking at this wire sitting on my desk, just waiting for something to happen. Have a great day or day of your choice. See you real soon. Bye.